Lethal Company has been so much fun.
Don't go in there.
I'm not going there.
You want to go in there? I said don't go in there!
As you can see, it went very well the last time.
Am I the only... Okay.
Let's press.
So hopefully today it doesn't go as bad as yesterday. So before my other friend joined, me and another friend were playing by ourselves. Here's some notable moments from that. I'll go peek past it.
I'm coming with you. Okay, never mind then.
Oh.
More than usual.
Okay. Well.
Not that way.
Not that way.
Those guys are fine sometimes. Just yell at them really hard.
Bottles.
Bottle. Bottles.
Whoa. Huh? Pro parkour. Don't try. Oh, alright. Sure.
I got a bad idea.
What? Skibbity toilet. It's skibbity toilet. Okay, Bledge is with us now, so the intro is over.
We did buy things for you. I don't know if that's stayed.
I've decided that I'm not gonna be scared at all in this whole playtime. I'm brave. I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna get the thing, and it's gonna be a great time, and I'm not gonna scream.
What do you think of this guy? Do you like him?
Yeah,
Snide.
he's like a Sniler, but
Yeah, but is there anything in particular that this setup reminds you of?
yeah, I didn't catch on until he said something about it.
The original plan was to not say anything the whole time, but you didn't catch on fast enough. Don't jump off. I'm guessing.
Brushies. Hey, do the thing over here.
I found soda.
There's a cat here. That's valuable. Very valuable.
What?
How much?
Oh wow, 95.
They also
I have it.
weigh like 1 billion pounds.
115, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Okay, I'll come with you because I don't want to be alone.
This is very, very heavy.
And also, honestly, since we got the cash register, we could probably.
You want to bring all this stuff back because we.
I heard
we're
a
full of
creature,
large.
so let's leave. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get that out from here.
Why are you Delfino plazating?
Hey, don't leave me behind. We're gonna get DMCA'd by Nintendo.
Yeah. We can't upload this onto YouTube anymore.
Glad we didn't buy anything. Did you see the hill going up there? It's covered in pumpkins. There's 2 of them.
Here. Another cube.
How much is it? 42.
Cuboid. It's 42.
Rubik Cube! I'm pretty sure we just go straight in the big room.
Be
The main
careful. I
room.
might hear. Oh, spider!
Where? Where?
In there. Where we have
Where
to go.
in there?
I saw it run right there!
Robo righty.
Oh! Oh, no! I have to hit it.
It will run away eventually. Oh god.
Well,
Wow.
the spider pushed me into the pit.
Oh, this is cool. This is good. Good that I'm the only one alive right now. Okay, I'm leaving. I survived. I'm the only one who survived.
That went poorly.
Yeah. I probably would have killed the spider had I not
Why is it
fallen
fucking in the
off
way?
into the fucking pit. Because I got hits on it. The fact that the creatures can just come out at 3 before it's even 5, like...
Scary.
It's right there! It's out! He doesn't know.
Close the door.
He just wants to hit the lever. Hit the lever, hit the lever, hit the lever, hit the lever, hit the lever. Okay.
Get out of here. Get the out of here.
But I think, did you fall into a pit? Is that
Yes,
what
I
happened to you?
fell into the pit. I had 2 hits on the spider, and then it pushed me into the pit because I couldn't see where I was going.
And then I saw the spider leaving, so I tried following behind the spider. And then as I entered that big room, I saw 2 of the fucking drop things that drop on your head walk past me.
Walmart flashlight.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi there.
Over here.
See, I hate this. I hate this place because Giant exists, and you can't really do anything against Giants. They're not sound sensitive or anything. They can just see you.
I'm so excited. This place is gonna be so horrific.
Large jackal.
I'm useless to just go
I said
along.
large ackle, but don't worry about it. Shut up.
Don't do that.
Okay, so are the giants...
Who's carrying that? Okay.
I'll carry it.
It shouldn't be out right now, but just be quiet. And I do have a stun grenade just in
Creatures
case.
usually spawn around 5 or 6 p.m. Usually. But then we also had that one where we had that dog that spawned at like 2.
Hey, Nazia had that incident earlier. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now.
that we lived. Go, 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 go! Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Well, I know the stun grenade worked.
Apparently the forest keepers, they don't even need to eat anything. They just want to put things they find interesting in their mouth.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, where do we want to go today?
Maybe not there. I'm gonna buy another stun grenade though, because that was helpful.
You're going to Assurance.
Did buy something, but you two can go ahead if
Be
you want.
careful of the bees.
What's you
You know,
buy?
instead of going inside, we could sacrifice someone to the bees and steal the nest and then get out.
Bottles so valuable. I never even realized how valuable they were.
I'm not going that way.
Why?
Yeah, that's just darkness. I don't. Yeah.
That's just darkness, and shining the flashlight into it does nothing.
Jar of pickles.
Close. Alright, we're leaving.
Yeah, I'm gonna brave the dark room that y'all are scared of, because it's just steam.
Find a vent in there, maybe. Yeah. Try to see vent.
Whoa.
Woo! Nope.
How full is everyone's inventory?
I have nothing.
I'm
You
very
just say
hurt.
Another
run past
toilet.
it,
Yeah,
not
we're
stand
leaving.
in the way of it.
There's
I
also
laid
another
it
turret
down.
leaving.
We just put all our stuff in here.
ZB, stand next to the leave, just leave the planet button, and I'll sit next to the door close button. And the second Nazi gets in, we'll just both hit it, okay?
If Blood says penis, then you press the button and we leave.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
close it. Go.
Go.
Penis.
Penis cock balls.
Do we get it? We got it. Let's go.
Yeah,
we
got
got
it.
it.
Good
I
job.
didn't even die.
Wow.
The horse would be so proud.
This is gonna be
Ugh.
interesting.
Imagine if it just kept going.
Just kept going. It just kept going.
You know, stun grenades are 10% off.
So are we going to dine? Is that what we said?
Yeah.
What we decided? Okay.
I feel like if the moment we step outside, we're just gonna instantaneously
See the
blow
fire
up.
exit?
I
It's
saw the
right
fire
there.
exit,
It's
yeah.
probably easier to. It's probably easier to just run to the fire exit if we really want to, but also you should
Please.
follow the lights. Find it normally.
So basically, just on the way back, be very, very quiet.
Yeah.
We're
At least it shows you the way there.
wabbits.
It's wabbit season. That's intimidating.
All right.
I already hate it here.
I hear something.
It's scarier because it's normal.
All right, are we full then?
I'm full on loot now. What's that? What was that? There was something. That's just a guy? Oh, that's just a guy.
It's
okay.
just a guy. Okay, should I just grab the robot and go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I also just kind of want to get out of there just in case there was a creature of some sort.
That went surprisingly well.
You know.
We encountered
516. Damn.
We encountered a singular, mostly harmless creature.
Skibbity pumpkins, please give us good luck.
We're all gonna die.
Why do you words? Honestly, once we clear this area out, we'll just...
Wedge?
Ah,
Cut out.
Right.
oh my goodness! Oh my! Spider!
What is it? What is it?
Spider!
Spider? Oh,
Dear lord.
that's a lot.
So,
Spider web. There's a spider there. Jester! 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 Jester!
Jester? Okay, let's get out of here.
Jester?
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
And there's a grabber too. Okay. Oh, great.
Where's the out of here?
Come on, go!
Okay, we're
Go!
leaving.
Run! Run! Run!
We're leaving.
It's winding up! Don't jump on the landmine!
Where are you?
What is that? What is that? What is that?
That is something you need to run from.
What was that? Did you see that?
Yeah,
Time to go.
What is that?
we're leaving. We're leaving.
Okay. What was that?
Kill him.
Yeah.
Well, Ledge is dead, but I killed it. Azia? Azia! Azia!
Oh, he was
Right there. Right there. That'll be it. Don't drown. You can drown.
Yeah, wow.
Ledge drowned.
Let's drown.
Ledge drowned.
Wow.
Good luck, Azia.
Stop being noisy. He's alive still.
Hi.
Oh, hi,
Azia's
Phoebe.
dead.
Yippee!
We found Kane. Look.
Thumper. The Thumper's over there. Ah! You can get up!
Are you scanning him like you were constantly telling me to?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
good.
tried to. I pressed the button. Is there multiple of them?
No, he is in the room still. There he is.
just fall and die? Did you die from falling?
Yeah.
You fell from the fall damage.
Good.